Hi, welcome to Kim's Classroom. So if you've ever wanted to learn how to do stained glass, but you weren't sure how to get started, what kind of pattern that you should choose, what tools and supplies that you needed, or any of that, today is your lucky day. Because in this video, I'm kicking off a 10-part series where I'm going to be walking you through the process of creating this little Lily of the Valley pattern using the copper foil technique that Louis Comfort Tiffany patented and made famous. Now, the first step is going to be downloading your pattern. I've got the pattern linked in the description, so you can go to my website, download the pattern. It's absolutely free. And you're going to want to make 2 copies of it. The first copy is going to be just on regular printer paper. The second copy is going to be on something a little bit stiffer, a little bit thicker, like cardstock or poster board or something like that, whatever you can put through your printer. Now, the reason why we're making 2 copies is that one is going to be the copy that we build on, and the second is going to be the copy that we cut out and make the pattern. Once you have those 2 copies, you're good to go. So you're probably now wondering about, well, what kind of tools, what kind of supplies do I need? So I've also linked a comprehensive beginner's tool and supply list that's also linked in the description. And so you can download that and you can use that to go and purchase your tools and supplies. People ask me, how much is this going to cost? So consider that you're probably going to spend anywhere between $250 to $500 depending on the quality and the type of tools that you choose. I recommend buying tools that you can afford right now. Everything that I've linked is relatively inexpensive, and you can purchase everything through either Amazon or Delphi Art Glass and Supply. Both retailers will ship the tools to you. Also through Delphi, you can actually buy an entire package that has everything that you need. And I believe that that runs about $350. And I've also got that complete package linked on the tool and supply list. And full disclosure for the tool and supply list, some of the links are affiliate links. So if you click on the link and go to the site, either Amazon or Delphi, and purchase the product, I may receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. Now, as I walk you through this process, in each video, I'm going to tell you what tools you're going to need. Then we're going to be walking through the process step by step. It's really important that you follow along and do this with me and try not to work ahead. I know it's going to be tempting, but I'm going to be releasing these videos once a week. And because I'm going to be releasing these videos once a week, make sure that you subscribe to my channel right here and hit the like button so that you don't miss a thing. Also, as an added bonus, I'm going to be including the transcript to each video, also linked in the description, so that you can download that and follow along on your own. So if you're interested in learning how to do stained glass, you're going to get everything that you need and more right here in Kim's Classroom. Go download your pattern and your tool and supply list now, and I'll see you in the next video.